Hello, amazing parents and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the AI Nurse, your go-to channel for blending AI technology with family wellness. I'm your host, the AI Nurse, and today, September 9th, 2025, we're diving into an exciting topic just in time for this week's Apple event. Apple's AI Workout Buddy, a nurse's guide to postpartum fitness for new moms. If you're a new mom feeling overwhelmed by newborn care and wondering how to reclaim your strength, this video is for you. With Apple's AI-powered Workout Buddy feature on the Apple Watch, postpartum fitness just got smarter and more doable. We'll explore how this tool, alongside other AI apps, can help you rebuild energy, manage stress, and fit exercise into your busy mom life, all with a nurse's perspective. By the end, you'll have practical tips, app recommendations, and a plan to thrive. So, grab a water bottle and let's get moving. Let's start with the reality of postpartum life. After giving birth, your body and mind are in recovery mode. Whether you delivered vaginally or via C-section, you're healing from major physical changes, stretched muscles, hormonal shifts, and maybe some lingering soreness. Add in sleepless nights and breastfeeding demands, and finding time for fitness feels like a dream. Studies show 60% of new moms struggle to exercise in the first 6 months postpartum, which can impact energy and mental health. As a nurse, I've seen how this leads to burnout or feelings of losing yourself. But here's the game changer. In 2025, AI is transforming how we approach postpartum recovery, and Apple's latest innovations are leading the charge. So what's this Workout Buddy feature? Unveiled at WWDC25, it's an AI-driven tool on the Apple Watch, designated to shine at the September 9th Apple event with updates in the Series 10 or Ultra 3. Workout Buddy uses machine learning to analyze your heart rate, activity levels, and even sleep data to create personalized fitness plans. For new moms, it's like having a virtual trainer who knows your postpartum needs. Input that you're 4 weeks postpartum, and it suggests low-impact workouts. Think pelvic floor exercises or gentle yoga, tailored to your recovery stage. It tracks progress, adjusts goals, and sends nudges like, time for a 10-minute walk during baby's nap. With the iPhone 17's AI upgrades, like enhanced Siri integration, you can even ask, what's a safe postpartum workout, and get instant tips. Why is this a big deal for new moms? Recovery isn't just about bouncing back, it's about building strength safely. The American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists recommends starting exercise as early as 6 weeks postpartum, but only with guidance. Workout. Buddy's AI cross-references your data with medical standards, flagging if you're pushing too hard, like if your heart rate spikes during a workout. It's like having a nurse in your pocket, ensuring you don't overdo it while healing from, say, diastasis recti or a C-section scar. Let's break down how to use Workout Buddy as a new mom step by step with a nurse's lens. First, set up your profile. Open the fitness app on your Apple Watch or iPhone and input key details: delivery type, weeks postpartum, and any conditions like pelvic pain. The AI uses this to customize your plan. For example, at 6 weeks postpartum, it might suggest a 15-minute walk with 10 squats, syncing with your baby's schedule. More on that later. It tracks metrics like calories burned and heart rate variability, which is crucial for monitoring stress. If you're breastfeeding, it even estimates extra calorie needs, ensuring you don't dip into fatigue. Next, let's talk integration with other AI apps to supercharge your routine. In our previous videos, we raved about Glow Baby and Huckleberry for tracking baby's sleep and feeding. These apps sync beautifully with Workout Buddy. For instance, Huckleberry predicts your baby's nap times using AI, so Workout Buddy can schedule a workout during a 30-minute window when your little one is asleep. Glow Baby tracks breastfeeding, and its AI can flag if you're dehydrated. Workout Buddy then pings you to drink water post-workout. This synergy saves time and mental energy, which as a nurse I know is precious for new moms. Another gem is Mama Zen, an AI-powered mental health app we covered in our self-care video. It pairs perfectly with Workout Buddy by suggesting mindfulness sessions post-exercise. After a 10-minute yoga flow, Mama Zen might recommend a 5-minute meditation to lower cortisol levels, which is critical for postpartum recovery. Its AI learns your stress patterns and tailors sessions like breathing for new mom anxiety. You can even link it to your Apple Watch to track relaxation metrics alongside fitness. For nutrition, apps like MyFitnessPal use AI to recommend quick, nutrient-dense meals. Tell it you're breastfeeding, and it suggests snacks like Greek yogurt with berries to support milk supply. Workout Buddy integrates with these, adjusting calorie goals based on your activity. In 2025, Series AI upgrades let you say, plan a postpartum meal, and it pulls recipes from MyFitnessPal, synced to your grocery list. This holistic approach, fitness, mental health, nutrition, is what makes AI a lifeline for new moms. Now let's get practical with a nurse-approved postpartum fitness plan using Workout Buddy. Week 16 postpartum? Focus on gentle movement. Workout. Buddy might suggest diaphragmatic breathing to rebuild core strength or short walks to boost circulation. By week 8, it could introduce bodyweight exercises like modified planks, checking your heart rate to ensure safety. For C-section moms, it delays high-impact moves until 12 weeks, per medical guidelines. As a nurse, I'd remind you, always get clearance from your OB/GYN before starting. Here's a sample day at 8 weeks postpartum, blending AI tools. 8 a.m. Glow baby logs a feeding. Workout. Buddy suggests a 15-minute walk when baby naps at 10 a.m. 10:15 a.m. Post-walk, Mama Zen prompts a 5-minute mindfulness session via your Apple Watch. 12 p.m. MyFitnessPal reminds you to eat a protein-rich lunch, synced with Workout Buddy's calorie tracker. 3 p.m. Huckleberry predicts a long nap. Workout Buddy schedules a 10-minute yoga flow. This structure reduces decision fatigue, letting you focus on bonding with your baby. What are the benefits? First, physical recovery. Regular movement strengthens pelvic floors, reduces back pain, and boosts energy. A 2024 study found that consistent postpartum exercise improves mood by 35% and reduces postpartum depression risk. Second, mental health. Workout Buddy's AI nudges build habits without guilt. No more, I should have worked out. Third, time efficiency. By syncing with baby tracking apps, you maximize small windows like nap times. For nurses watching, this tech can be recommended to patients, streamlining postpartum care plans. Data from Workout Buddy can even be shared with doctors via PDF exports, ensuring medical oversight. Downsides? Privacy is key. Apple anonymizes health data, but always review settings to opt out of sharing. Battery drain on your watch or phone can happen with constant tracking, so charge nightly. Cost-wise, while the fitness app is free with an Apple Watch, premium features like advanced analytics may require a $9.99 month Fitness Plus subscription. Over-reliance is a risk. AI isn't a doctor, so listen to your body and consult professionals. Pro tips to start: get an Apple Watch, Series 9 or later works, Series 10 if unveiled. Download Fitness, Glow Baby, and Mama Zen. Log consistently for a week. AI needs data to personalize. Involve your partner. They can track baby logs while you exercise. If tech feels overwhelming, start with Workout Buddy's basic walks and add apps later. For nurses, educate patients on these tools, but stress medical clearance. In conclusion, Apple's AI Workout Buddy, paired with apps like Glow and Mama Zen, makes postpartum fitness accessible, safe, and smart. As the AI nurse, I'm here to remind you, you're not just a mom, you're a powerhouse, and AI is your sidekick. With the Apple event dropping new tech this week, now's the time to embrace these tools. Like, subscribe, and comment your postpartum fitness tips below. Let's support each other. Until next time, keep moving, keep caring, and keep shining.